You sit down to code, you write a few lines, then stop, because suddenly you realize you don't even understand what you're doing anymore. So you open a tutorial, then another, then a whole playlist. Welcome to the tutorial hell, my friend. The deeper you go, the more you realize how much you don't know. You feel bad, you feel dumb, you feel like a fraud, but you keep coding anyway. That's, my friend, is what I like to call the circle of shame, or an imposter syndrome. Have you ever been given a hard task so hard it makes you feel like you need to remember Java, data structure and algorithms, calculus 1, calculus 2, statistics, and the entire internet, but somehow you can't even remember what you ate yesterday? You sit there, you see your face through the reflection of the screen, thinking, wait, am I actually a developer or just someone really good at faking it, copying code of ChatGPT? Congratulations, that's feeling? That's an imposter syndrome. The secret badge of every real developer. Even Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python himself, he said he doesn't always feel like he knows what he's doing. Yes, the guy who invented literally a programming language. Surprisingly, even the smart devs, the ones building billion-dollar apps, yeah, they still googling how to center a dev. Let me tell you something wild. Albert Einstein, yes, Einstein, once wrote a letter, I feel like involuntary swindler. He felt like a fraud. This was in 1955, after the Nobel Prize. After literally changed our understanding of the universe. After his equation helped create atomic bomb. The guy who gave us E equals mc square felt like an imposter. So if you are sitting there feeling like you are faking your way through front-end tickets, don't worry, that is completely fair. Developers aren't dumb, but the job is designed to make you feel like it. You finally understand React. Great. Guess what? Learn Next.js. You understand Next.js now? Fuck you. There is a new version. Learn it from scratch. It's like an endless for loop of pain. It's time for tutorial hell again and again and again. CSS might as well be a black magic. And JavaScript, yeah, it works until it doesn't, and no one knows why. A senior dev isn't smarter than you. They just know exactly what to Google and how to look confident doing it. According to a 2024 report by Korn Ferry, 71 of CEOs don't believe they are qualified for their jobs. The rest of them may even not tell the truth. They may be even lying about it. That's a CEO, rich, powerful, sweat-wearing people. The report described this as a crisis of confidence, and they're out here thinking, I hope no one finds out I am making this all up. So it's not just developer. Yeah, it's a human thing, all of us. Why? Because the more you learn, the more you realize how much you don't know. That's a Dunning-Kruger effect. The truly stupid people think they are experts. The smart ones, they know enough to doubt themselves. It's ironic. What's even funny, developers are not just afraid of fail, also afraid of succeed. The more you succeed, the more scared you get. Succeed once, wow, cool. Now I have to fake it again and again and again, and succeed again, until they catch me, and boom, I know I was a fraud all along. You keep working like a superhero, hoping that nobody finds out. So for that reason, maybe that fear is good. Maybe it is the thing that makes you better. That tiny voice whispering you don't know enough pushes you to keep learning. Self-doubt sucks, yeah. It's uncomfortable. It keeps you up at night, but it also keeps you growing. Confidence without knowledge, that dangerous. No doubt, that a fool. What I'm trying to tell you is use a fear as a gas, but also understand your value and value your hard work. So next time you break your code, forget a for loop, or have a mini breakdown over missing semicolon, just remember, you are not a bad developer, you are just a human. Now, if you will excuse me, I need to Google how to exit Vim again. Support this channel if you like the content, and if you don't, you might forget how to send a dev. See you in the next video.